There are 5 steps to take when clearing the spine. Determine the mechanism of injury. Assess patient reliability. Conduct a neuroexam. Establish pain levels, and evaluate the range of motion.
Hi, sir. Can you tell me what happened?
Yeah, I fell off that ladder over there.
Oh, geez. Yeah, that's about 6 feet up. I think we need to protect his spine. Can you grab his head? Thank you so much. So I'm going to ask you some questions. Can you tell me your name?
Mike.
And where are you right now?
Fishing dock 5.
Do you know what day it is?
Wednesday.
Exactly. And do you know what you were doing here?
I was working on my boat.
Okay, great. So he's A&O times 4. Sir, have you been drinking or taking any drugs or anything else that might have resulted in, an inebriated state or any other intoxicants?
No.
Okay. And do you have any injuries right now that are really painful or distracting you?
I don't think so.
Okay, so he seems to be a reliable patient. Sir, given that, I'm going to go ahead and start testing some things to see if you've injured your spine. I'm going to start by testing your extremities, your hands and your feet. So let me go ahead and see if I can get good, strong circulation. That's a good sign. Sir, can you close your eyes? Can you tell me what finger I'm touching right now?
Pointer finger.
Perfect. And what about right now?
Middle finger.
Okay. Can you go ahead and rotate your wrist for me? Okay, perfect. And then I'm going to put my hand against yours. And can you push as hard as you can? Okay, good. Good. Good CSM on that arm. Let me check the next one. Good, strong circulation. Sir, can you tell me which finger I'm touching?
Ring finger.
Okay, what about now?
My pointer finger.
Okay. Can you push against my hand? Okay, can you rotate your wrist? Good, we got good CSM in both arms. I'm going to check your feet. So I can take off your boots, but if I don't have to, I'm going to check and make sure and see if I can feel his feet are nice and warm. That means he's getting good circulation on his feet. Sir, can you tell me which toe I'm touching?
My little toe.
Which foot?
Left foot.
Perfect, thank you. And now?
My big toe.
Perfect, thank you. Okay, and can you push hard? Can you gas pedal against my hand? Okay, and can you pull? Okay, good. Good CSMs on that foot. Let me check the last foot. Okay, foot's nice and warm. Good circulation down here. Sir, can you tell me which toe I'm touching?
That's my big toe.
Okay, perfect. Can you push hard? Can you gas pedal against my hand? Okay, can you pull? Okay, good. His CSM, his 4 extremity CSM is great on all of them. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to palpate your spine.
All right.
While I do this, I want you to let me know if there's any pain at all, and if so, where it is on a 1 to 10 scale. At the same time, I'm going to be checking for any sort of abnormalities or anything that doesn't feel right. But let me know if anything I do at all, at any point, let me know if it hurts. The upper part of the spine is the most important here, but I like to feel along the whole spine, just making sure there's nothing wrong while I'm back here, checking for any sort of signs of deformities or anything that's out of alignment. Okay, everything feels good. No pain on your spine?
No.
Okay, so one last thing I'm going to have you do, if you can, without hurting yourself, move your head side to side, about 30 degrees to either side. Any pain there?
No.
Okay, can you nod your head? Any pain with that?
No.
Okay, excellent. So no pain anywhere. I think you should be good.